Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Tumblr videos. So let's get started. Start by browsing Tumblr to find the video you want to download. Once you have found the video, right-click on the video. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for an option like Save Video or Download in the menu. Click it and just like that, you have successfully downloaded your Tumblr video. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.